We've got a bunch of people that said, yeah, send me email. So what do we do now?
Do we sell there?
Well, yes and no.
Nurture your people. Once they become a part of your ecosystem, they are the most important people you will ever talk to. Do not spam people because they will gladly say goodbye.
If you don't care about your audience, you only want to make money, this is not the channel for you. Alessia?
Yeah?
Do you think email marketing is dead?
What?
I mean, do you still think we can make money sending emails to our list? Do you know why she's laughing? Because by helping thousands of people, she sold more than 500,000 digital products, mainly, actually exclusively via email. So in this video, we want to share our strategy on how to use email marketing for your business too. We've got a bunch of people that said, yeah, send me email. So what do we do now?
Do we sell there?
Well, yes and no. But this is not like, oh, you've now come on a back door, I'm gonna just shove things down your throat. No, that's not like that. Because the nurturing in the email sequence should continue. People did not sign up on your mailing list to get sold to. People want to, again, they're waiting for you to tell them that you've got the solution to their problems and they are checking you out. They want to know if you are the right person for them.
Recently, I have created a full-on course, free, online on YouTube that people can just watch. Obviously, people can watch it, but they don't have very much a guidance on what to do because there is only a limited amount of time I can spend with people that are online on YouTube, especially when you get to big numbers like ours, because we've got about 9,000 people on YouTube. It's very hard to keep track of who sends you messages and whatnot. So what I do for my so-called lead magnets, it's not a lead magnet for me, it's the extra help. I created a PDF that goes with the free course, and I also have created a email sequence that helps them out every 2 days, every week. It depends how much you want to keep up with them, to make them think, make them write, give them tips on what they need to do on that specific step, or maybe how they will be feeling on week 3, because usually that's when people give up. So think about the journey that your person is having and think about how you can help them out once they have downloaded your free PDF, for example. To me, it's all about helping them out even further, step by step. And the funny thing is, in that step by step, I know there's always going to be someone saying, I want to ask you for extra help. And maybe I do have the extra help already put together. I've got a program that might be exactly perfect for them. So that's when in the PS, maybe after the 3rd or the 4th or the 5th email, say, you're here, you've been doing this course for quite some time, you seem to me that you're very interested and very full of energy, you're still going, so why don't you join me in this specific course? That's the only time I really invite people into maybe having a look at a program that I've got that could be very good, always related to what they're doing, that can complement their path they're on right now. It's almost like it's a no-brainer.
If you want some interaction to see where they're at, you actually ask them, let me know how it's going. They will feel like you're their friend, so they would want to know how they're doing. And that's how you start the conversation as well. And if you see a gap from where they are and where they want to be, and your product fills that gap, you can just reply, listen, I've got the perfect program for you, and here's the link if you want to know more. And that's your landing page where they get all the information about your program, and they might even sign up from there and give you money, which is exactly what you want, but you nurtured all the way there.
That's another important thing. Nurture your people. Once they become a part of your ecosystem, they are the most important people you will ever talk to. The moment they decide to download your free book, your free PDF, your free thing, they have actively decided that you are an important person in their life, and they will share their important email address with you. The moment that you start spamming them, the moment that you've ruined their trust, like you literally they just say, I don't trust you anymore. So they're your best friend. Remember this, treat your list as the most important friend you'll ever talk to.
Oh, if you don't care about your audience, you only want to make money, this is not the channel for you.
No.
Go somewhere else. But before you start sending emails to your list, have you got your sales page for your program done yet? That's your selling assets, really. And if you haven't got one, or if you don't know how to write one, perfect! We've got a guide that you can follow, leveraging the system that we found sells the most, that makes you sound like you and not like a used car salesman. You can download it, the link is in the description box below, and it's completely free. Think about small, tangible results they can achieve, because imagine, I download your free thing, and I do everything you tell me, because I'm a good student, and then at the end of it, I get an amazing result. I'm immediately thinking, wow, if this is the free stuff, I cannot even begin to imagine what the course or the program might be. That's what I think you should do. Think about the small result. Don't think about the vehicle to get there. You'll figure it out based on the goal. The goal is the most important thing. What do you say? You don't have a digital product. You haven't built it yet. Perfect. You shouldn't. You know what you should do? You should sell it first. I know it's counterintuitive. We explain exactly the reason why in this video, where we share how we wasted 1 year building something that failed. And you don't want to make the same mistake. So watch this video right now and start making money with better tips.